Hello guys, so this is the fourth day memorizing flip cards. Yeah, track my learning tracking progress. Basta, my learning. So this fourth day na to, so I'm hoping na sana memorize ko na lahat yung answer. So let's start. Wait lang. So let's start. So i-scramble ko muna. Scramble. So first question is, what agile methodology focuses on short sprints lasting 1 to 4 weeks? 1 to 4 weeks. So my answer is Scrum. So I'm correct. The answer is Scrum. Next question. What software development model relies heavily on customer feedback throughout the process? Customer feedback is Agile model. Yes. Wala pang mali. Next, what Agile methodology uses a visual board to track progress? To track progress is Kanban methodology. Yes. Wala pang mali. Next, what model is better suited for projects that require rapid development and frequent updates? Frequent updates is Agile model. Yes. Agile model, correct. Next, what model is best for projects with well-defined requirements and minimal changes? Minimal changes and well-defined requirements. This is waterfall model, and the correct is waterfall model. So, wala pa akong mali. Next, what phase in the water... Sorry guys, dahil may tumatahol na aso dito, so continue lang. So next is, what phase in the waterfall model involves coding and converting the design into a functional program? Converting the design into a functional program, my answer is implementation phase. And the correct answer is implementation phase. So I'm correct. Next is, what phase in the waterfall model involves creating architectural and detailed design? Detailed design is system design. So the correct answer is system design. So, pila na lang. 3 lefts and I still have no wrong answers. Next is, what strength or the key advantage of Agile in handling changing requirements? Handling changing requirements is flexibility. Yes, flexibility. Next, in the waterfall model, which phase involves verifying that all components work together? Verifying all components work together, the correct answer is, my answer is integration and testing phase. And the correct answer is yes, I'm correct. Integration and testing phase. So last question. In terms of approach, what model is sequential and structured? In terms of approach, what model is sequential and structured? The correct answer is waterfall model. And I'm correct. Yes. No wrong answer. I'm all correct. So see you in my last vlog, the final vlog, because our professor asked us 5 consecutive days to track our progress. 5 consecutive days. So see you on my last day, the 5th vlog. Bye!